Well, you already do that. This should be nothing for you. Don't do it with the other hand.
Both hands.
You gotta do it with both hands. Do it with the other hand. Switch it. Switch it.
Look at your dad.
Switch it.
Back up. Back up. Come on. Come on. Come on back there. Okay. Now, when I say come this way, you're in trouble. All right? Come. Left. No. Come on. Back up.
So you're just going side to side. You're going to face us. Okay?
When I point, that's the way I want you to dribble. Okay? Get in the dribbling position. Get set. Come on. You're not look at me. Don't look at the ball. Come on. Come on. Look at me. Look at me. Come on. Good. Good.
Come here. Well, I didn't know you could dribble that good. You alright?
I'm tired.
He tired.